Check it out, YouTube. Your boy got a package in. I literally just opened it right now. I was gonna see what it was first before I did the video, but as I opened it, I said, you know what? Let me not open any of these things in this package. Let me just start recording, right? So, nonetheless, we got a package in from MRD Pro. Check it out, as y'all can see there. I know a lot of y'all have been talking about this brand, and we just gonna see what comes with their clippers, right? I got a clipper, a trimmer in here. I got some other stuff, so let's go ahead and get into this box. First things first, I have, what is this right here? A hair comb, a brush, I believe. Yeah, I got an MRD brush right here. Shout out to MRD Pro for the brush. Matter of fact, before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, let me know that you're new to the channel. Also, subscribe one time for the one time. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the rest of this unboxing video. Alright, so like I showed y'all, we got this brush from MRD Pro. We also have the MRD Pro SmartBrain BLDC motor trimmer. We got the clipper, and then we got a cape. But let's go ahead and start off by unboxing this trimmer right here. So it said on the box, it says SmartBrain BLDC motor trimmer, MRD Pro. We got Premium Ultimate 2.0 Black Diamond Carbon DLC fixed blade. Turbocharged long life BLDC motor runs at 7,500 RPMs per minute and has over 5,000 hours of motor life. So you get a good amount of time with this clipper. Obviously, that just lets us know that it's gonna last us, you know, a good time. Not like it's gonna last charged that long, obviously, right? 5,000 hours is a crazy amount of time to have. So it's not gonna be charged that long. It's just letting you know that it has, you know, that many hours to use. Black Diamond Ultimate 2.0 fixed blade, additional housings, highest quality Black Diamond Carbon DLC blades, lithium-ion battery delivers 120 minutes of runtime, removable drop top, universal mini USB charger. But that's what it says on the back, but let's go ahead and get into unboxing this. All right, so we open this up and we get the SmartBrain digital brushless motor, or digital brushless trimmer. Check it out right here. Looks very similar to a trimmer that I really like a lot. You know what I'm saying? Let's just keep it a buck. It looks really similar to the Stylecraft Saber, right? However, I can see it is different though. A lot of people say it's exactly the same, but no, it's different. It's not. It's very close, but it is different, right? So now we have a charging dock in there as well. So as you can see, you would just put the trimmer inside of the charging dock like that. We do have the USB-C charger on there, so that's pretty dope. You get a USB-C charger on the trimmer. Let's see what else comes inside of this box. So then we also get an MRD screwdriver, we get a USB-C cord, and we get a charging dock. So that's all that comes inside of the box, right? Let's go ahead and put this stuff back inside of the box so we can move on. Now here's the trimmer. As y'all can see, once again, it does look similar to the Stylecraft Saber trimmer. However, it is slightly different. It's more rounded. So it does look slightly different. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Sounds good. It sounds really good, actually. Check that out once again. So that's that. That's the MRD SmartBrain trimmer. Let me go ahead and put that to the side so we can continue looking at the other stuff that they sent your boy. So we got that. Let's throw that over here. And then we also have the MRD Pro SmartBrain clipper. It's got a gold titanium vapor blade for superior blending, fading, and bulk removal, and black diamond deep tooth slim cutting blade. BLDC motor offers 7,500 strokes per minute. Fully adjustable blade, can be zero gap. Lithium ion battery delivering 4 hours of cordless runtime, 2-hour charge time. Super compact and lightweight with ergonomic design for ultimate comfort grip. So that's that. Let's go ahead and open this up. So check it out. That's how it looks when you take it out of the box. Let's get the clipper out of here. So same thing with the clipper. Looks really similar to the Stylecraft Saber clipper, as y'all can see. Little different, you know what I'm saying? They do have, I believe it said a Faber blade on there, and then they got a gold blade for the cutting blade. We got the clicks on there. Check that out right there. We got like a bubble gum color right there, but I'm going to turn this on for y'all. Quiet clipper, as y'all can hear. It does come with a charging dock as well. Let me go ahead and get this out of here. All right, so check it out. Here is the MRD charging dock. Put the clipper on it like that. Sits on there just like so. So check that out. We get the charging dock. We get the clipper. Let's see what else we get in here. We also get some guards, as y'all can see, some pink color guards to match the clipper. They sent your boy a 1/16 guard. I guess it didn't come with a half guard in here, so we get a 1/16 guard as well. And then we also get some oil. We get a screwdriver, USB-C charging cord, and then we get the charging cord. So once again, here is the clipper, and as y'all can see on the bottom, we have the regular charging cord that you would you can either plug the charging cord into, or you can put it on the actual stand, and the back does have USB-C charging, so that's pretty dope. Once again, shout out MRD Pro for this one. Check that out right there. You got the clicks on there. Quiet clipper. Okay, let's put that to the side. Let's put all that stuff back in the box so we can see what else they sent me. I think they sent me one more thing. We're gonna go ahead and check that out. And I really hate putting all this stuff back in the box, man. This is always like the hardest thing for me. Oh, I actually did it pretty good that time. But we're gonna put the clipper back in here. Gonna put the charging dock. There's the box once again. And then we also got, they sent your boy a cape. Let's go ahead and open up this cape, see what type of cape it is. I'm gonna be honest, man, I don't know if I'm gonna use this cape. You know, I really rock with BV&B. Normally I'll be using the BV&B capes, but the cape don't feel bad. Good quality. Check it out, here is the cape. So as y'all can see, it says MRD Pro on there. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, check that out. So that is the cape. We do have, you know, the little stretchy things with these. I like these better than the buttons. Some people like the buttons, but I like that. But that is the cape, that is the clipper, and that is the trimmer. Y'all heard me turn it on for y'all. You know, your boy is gonna take it to the shop. We gonna check it. Let me fold this up first before I finish talking. But like your boy was saying, we are gonna take the trimmer and the clipper. Am I holding them right? Yeah, we're gonna take the clipper and the trimmer back to the shop. We're gonna put these to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them. Not in this video. This video is just an unboxing. Give me a little bit of time with these tools, you know what I'm saying? Let me actually use them, get a feel for them, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about these tools in another video. But if you wanna check them out, make sure to check them out, man. MRD Pro. Don't know the website. I'll see if I can find it and put it on the screen for y'all, but y'all can probably just Google MRD Pro and it's gonna pop up, right? But shout out to MRD Pro once again. Check it out, man. That's what it is, and that's what your boy does, man. I just want y'all to know, your boy be reviewing and unboxing every clipper, right? I try to be as unbiased as I possibly can. So I'll be doing a bunch of different tools, man. So I just want y'all to know that is what your boy be doing, but we are gonna take these tools, take them to the shop, use them, and I will be giving y'all a review video soon. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.